guys, welcome to another video on first order linear differential equation. In this video we are going to be solving this example here. I said that solve the differential equation given by dy over dx plus 3x squared y equal to 6x cubed, right? If you look at this critically with what I shared with you in my previous video, this equation is an equation of the form dy over dx plus what? P of x y equals to q of what? X. Any equation of this form is called a first order linear differential equation. Now if you compare this equation with this, you can see clearly that it's a first order linear differential, right? Our p here, which is a function of x, is actually this term, and our q here, which is also a function of x, is also what? This term, right? Now what we have is that we have our p of x is equal to 3 what? X squared. Now your p of x is actually, you can see, is a function of x squared, right? Which is the coefficient of y here, right? Now your q of x, I told you the other time too, that is also a function of what? X, which is 6x cubed, right? Now to solve this kind of differential equation, we use what is called the integrating factor, okay? Now we are going to you can let any variable to be the integrating factor, right? Now since in our previous example we talk about I as the integrating factor, we're going to using an integrating factor, right? Using an integrating factor. And what is our integrating factor? The other time we're saying let I equals to exponential integral p of x dx, right? This is our integrating factor now, where our p of x is actually what? 3x squared. So we're going to use this one to solve this equation, right? Now applying this one here, this implies that our I is equal to e integral of p. Now your p is 3x squared, so we're saying 3x squared dx, right? Now you need to integrate this, right? Now integrating this, what do you have? Okay, so let me bring it up here for easy understanding. Now remember, we want to solve this equation, right? Now taking our integrating factor, now our I now is going to be exponential integral. This is what we are integrating, 3x squared dx, right? Now which is the same thing as saying exponential integral. If you integrate this, you're going to, the integral of this with respect to x is actually 3x cubed over what? 3, right? Now, and you see that there is a common term here, 3 will cancel out, right? This 3 will cancel out here, you are left with exponential what? X cubed. So our integrating factor I is actually exponential x what? Cube, right? Now do you know the next thing that we're going to do? We are going to use the integrating factor to multiply through this equation, right? That's the steps we're going to be following. Next, we use the integrating factor to multiply through the equation. Now let me call this equation, as my equation 1, right? Then multiplying 1 by what? By I. This implies that we're going to get I dy over dx plus what? I 3x squared y equals to I 6x what? Cube. But remember, our I is exponential x cube. This implies that we are saying exponential x cube dy over dx plus what? Exponential x cube 3x squared y equal to exponential x cube 6x what? Cube, right? Now this implies that if you look at this one now, if you look at this, the left hand side is actually the derivative d over dx is a derivative of the function exponential what? Exponential x raised to power 3. Now because if you differentiate this exponential 3 times what? Times y, is a derivative, the whole of this becomes this, because if you differentiate this, you're going to get back this, right? So the left hand side is equal to this, now equal to exponential x cube times what? 6x what cube. Remember, it is y that we want to find the solution, right? What is the next thing to do is to integrate both sides, right? Now Okay, now integrating both sides, this implies that we are saying integral of d over dx of exponential x cube, right, y is equal to integral of what, exponential x cube 6x what cube, right? Now this implies that now, remember in your integration, when you are integrating a derivative, the answer is that word function. When you're integrating the derivative of a function, the answer is that word function, right? Now this implies that since you're integrating this, we're going to get, this will cancel, we're going to get x cube y equals what, the integral of what, x 6x cube, right? Now it is y that I want to get, right? This implies that my going to be exponential minus x cube, then integral of exponential what, x cube 6x what square, right? This plus a what, this one is the solution, but you have not finished yet. You need to integrate this. Once you integrate this, you are done, right? This becomes the solution. So thank you very much, guys. I think in the next video I'll give you more example, right? So thank you so much. You can do well and subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Thank you very much, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.